What's up, people? Finally made it to this place. About to deliver some rolls of paper. It's a nice little drive. I'm over here in the middle of nowhere, Circlesville, Ohio. That's where I'm at. And I got to deliver this paper. I'm feeling good today, like really good. I don't know why. Maybe because I slept good. I was cold, but I slept good. I don't even like cold weather, but I like sleeping in cold weather so I can wrap up or whatever. But I'm here in Ohio. Welcome, guys. It's another day, another dollar. Your boy Mike Lana from Hot Atlanta. I'm still over here keeping it moving, keeping them wheels turning. Because if them wheels ain't turning, you ain't earning, my boy. But anyway, about to drop this load. About to see what I'm going to choose after this. Gotta get some fuel, running low on here. Paulo just chilling like a villain. Got him on a leash. Because every time I get out the truck, you want to go back there and start messing with stuff. If I have trash right there, you want it. So I'm going to keep you on there until we hit the road again, buddy. Yeah, while I'm waiting, feeling great today, guys. Just a little bit down. My son, he has a fever. I don't know what's going on. Man, there's so many viruses going on around. Monkeypox, flu. You got to watch out for everything. Got the gray hairs. But my son, he has a fever. Y'all pray for him. I'm sure he's going to pull through. Just FaceTimed him this morning. Made sure he was good to go. Maybe it's the caffeine, boy, because I'm wired right now. I don't even drink coffee. I think it's because I had that energy drink right afterwards. Trying to grow that afro, get them dreads. I just hate this part of the process because I got that thick hair, that slave hair, as I call it. Back in the day type hair. Straight. Just afro. But that jump be hurting. Look at that. Pulling my hair out. Whew. Waiting. I think he took a lunch break. I don't know, but I see these train tracks right over here. I'm about to go do a little photo shoot. That's what I'm about to do. Check it out. Got unloaded, and I've been sitting here waiting. I gotta get my paper signed. The guy unloaded my truck and he just dipped. Like he's gone, and you can't even battery. You can't even walk through the gate. As you can see, they got a big sign that say "Do not enter." I'm trying to get up out of here. I've been waiting here for like 20 minutes. I done called and asked, could I just leave? But now they said because it was a live load, you got to get it signed, man. This man need to hurry up. I swear I'm about to go to this door and just walk through this warehouse and break the law. Break the law. Is anyone there? Hello. Is anyone there? Anyone? Finally got the paper signed. Took a minute, but I'm here at Taco John's. Not Taco John's, I'm sure. I'm here at the Love's. I don't know about this taco place. I think it's called Taco John's or something like that. Not really sure about the Taco John's, but according to the reviews, somebody said the beef is trash. Another person said he had to put 2 packs of sauce on his taco just to give it some flavor. They got a pilot across the street, but the Pizza Hut is under renovation. So I'm about to go in here and try to pick me something to eat. Man, I didn't get them tacos. It was pretty much what everybody was talking about on the reviews. It just looked nasty. And then it's 2 tacos, 1 side and a drink for $9. So I'm not doing that. I'm still gonna be hungry right after I eat. So, and then for $9, it's not worth it. So I'll probably drop this trailer and go to Walmart, which is down the street. Save some money. But I'm gonna end this video, and I'm gonna start the next video on my next adventure, my next trip or whatever. But make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel. But y'all be easy and keep those wheels turning. Because if them wheels ain't turning, you ain't earning. Peace. See y'all next time.